Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the HF Home. So, HF Home Firewood Shelf. It's a high-length, adjustable, inside and outside usable metal firewood shelf for the firewood storage with non-slip mat. Wooden shelf with a maximum possible reach 75 to 25 to 170 centimeter. It is possible to get this in a vertical direction and a Nix-shaped direction as you need it. This wooden holder can be individually adjusted in height and length. The sights range from at least 45 to 25 to 95 centimeter to a maximum of 75, 25, 170 centimeter are possible. This is either for rooms of different sizes, and you can adjust this shelf as you like it. And thanks to the raised floor frame, 9.5 centimeter, the air circulation is promoted, which keeps our firewood dry and prevents mold. The rubber feet protects the floor and the walls against scratches. That's perfect for use in the living room, the garden, or on the terrace. And it's made of high-quality metal with a weatherproof powder coating. The wooden bearing is water-repellent, rust-free, and scratch-resistant. The structure remains dimensionally stable even when it is fully loaded. And the lateral crossbars in the 25 centimeter depth prevent the firewood from dropping and provides a safe storage for a different wood length. Thanks to the supplied instruction, the wood storage is correctly mounted. As well, you can look my video about that, so you can attach the low strut so that we can use the wood and aid the raised or store it close to the ground. The accessory for wall mounting are included. We do not use it as a step or a ladder. The metal frame is extremely stable, but not intended for climbing sports as well. We have here a clever firewood warehouse device. Yeah. We have a stag lock with the air circulation from below that remains our firewood dry. We have flexible connection, easy adjustable size, 2.5 centimeter thick steel tubes with an anti-rust coating, established screws, firm grip and a reliable stand, and the rubber protection protects the floor and furniture against scratches. That's all and more gives us the FH Home Firewood Shelf Height. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.